Yo, what's up, people? So once again, welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I have with me here a newly launched USDT platform that is paying and is currently paying very well. So guys, without wasting your time, just click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump onto this platform. So the platform is called Sosv.site. Don't worry about the link. It's in the description box. Kindly open the description box, click on it, and sign up a new account. So guys, over here is my dashboard. As you can see, I've made a total profit of 40.3 USDT over here. So guys, let me show you how I made this. So basically, if you want to earn from this site, you just need to sign up a new account. So first of all, I'll just log out and show you guys how to register a new account. So guys, for you to register a new account, it's a real quick thing over here. So all you need to do is click on my referral link in the description box. After that, click on the sign up button at the top right corner over here. So you just click on it, type in your email, your password, your security password, then you enter any information on your WhatsApp or your Telegram over here too. So guys, the invitation code is really important, so you need to use my referral link in the description box so that you get an invitation code. So guys, I've already signed up account, so I'll just click on the sign in button at the top left corner over here. So I'll just click on the sign in. So I'll just sign in right now. So guys, as you can see here, I've successfully logged in my account, and this is my account dashboard over here. So guys, this is my account dashboard over here, and over here on the home dashboard, you can see the deposit button, the withdrawal button, company profile, and the app. So guys, over here are the VIP levels that you need to unlock so that you can be earning from this platform. So over here is the VIP 1 that I've already unlocked, and the VIP 2. With the VIP 2, you'll be earning a total profit of 5.60 USDT each and every day. And with the VIP 1, you'll be getting a total profit of $1.30 each and every day. So guys, with the VIP 3 also, you'll be getting a total profit of 17.50 USDT each and every day. So in order for you to know your VIP level, you just need to click on the level over here. So we click on the level. So when you click on the level, you could see the VIP level in which you've activated. So over here, if you want to unlock the VIP 2, you just need 69 USDT to unlock this, which they've given you $30 bonus already. So you just need to top up with $39. So guys, over here too, they've given us 149 USDT in order for us to unlock, which they've already given us $30. So you just deposit the rest to add up and open the VIP 3, and it goes on and on. With the VIP 3, you'll be earning a total profit of 17.50 USDT each and every day. And with the VIP 4 over here, guys, you'll be earning a total profit of 59 USDT each and every day, guys. So guys, this is how everything basically works. So also, in order for you to earn more and more on this platform, you need to share with your friends, family, your social media handles, so that you could earn more and more whenever people sign up a new account. So just click on the team button over here. So we click on it real quick over here. So we copy the referral link over here so that we can share with a lot of people and be getting more income whenever they deposit or whenever they sign up a new account. So guys, let me click on the mission over here. So over here, let me click on the mission. So guys, as you can see over here on the mission, I'm currently here to complete this mission so that I'll be able to earn 1.30 USDT right now over here. So guys, let me click on the go to finish. So guys, as you can see, it's loading and it has been successfully completed. So guys, let me click on my profile over here. Guys, as you can see, it has become 41.6. Before it was 40.6, and now it is 41.6 USDT. So over here, guys, that's all you basically need to do. over here. So over here too, you need to click on the home button. For you to make a deposit, you just need to click on the home button, then you click on the deposit button over here. So when you click on the deposit button, you could see a USDT TRC20 wallet address provided over here. You just click on the copy address over here. So we click on the copy address, you go back to your Binance or any wallet that you are having, then you send the required amount. So after sending it, you come here, then you click on the recharge completed over here. Then guys, that's all you basically need to do for the deposit. Then you come to the VIP level, then you see the unlocked VIP level over here. Currently I'm on VIP 1 and I'm earning $1.30 each and every day. So you just click on the mission over here after depositing to complete your missions. I've already completed 2 missions already, and I'm currently earning a lot of money with this platform. I just deposited yesterday and I'm currently earning a lot of money. So guys, as you can see over here, I've already finished all my tasks just like I did. So guys, I've already completed 2 tasks over here and I'm earning almost $2.60 within 2 days, guys. So this is very, very fantastic, and you all need to jump onto it. So guys, let me make a live withdrawal right now over here. So I'll just click on the home button over here. I'll click on withdrawal button. So guys, as you can see, my current balance 2.60 USDT over here. So in order for me to withdraw my balance over here, I just need to go to Binance. I'll click on my wallet, then I'll click on my wallet over here. So guys, I just need to click on deposit crypto over here. Then I'll select the coin that I want to deposit, so USDT TRC20. I'll just copy the wallet address, TRC20 wallet address over here. I'll just copy it, go back to the site, paste the address over here. I'll just need to paste the address over here. And over here, guys, I'll enter the amount that I want to withdraw, which is 2.6. And I'll just enter the security password over here. So guys, I'll just confirm it. So guys, they are saying that withdrawal succeeded, guys. They are saying withdrawal succeeded. So guys, I'll be waiting for this withdrawal, and the withdrawal is being done within 24 hours of time. So guys, let me wait for my withdrawal. Let me click on my home. So guys, as you can see here, my total balance has reduced to 39, meaning that I've withdrawn a total amount of 2.60 USDT to my Binance account. So guys, that's how everything basically works on this particular platform, guys. So guys, please and please kindly jump onto sosv.site so that you can earn more and more with this platform. It has been currently launched and it's really working 100% perfectly. So guys, all you need to do is to use the link in my description box, sign up a new account, and let us make more money, guys. So as you can see over here, let me check from my Binance account and confirm it. So guys, I'll be checking my Binance account over here. So guys, as you can see over here, I've currently received my 2.60 USDT over here. So guys, boom, I've received the amount successfully, and it's in my USDT. Guys, I've received the amount. As you can see over here, I just received this amount right now. Over here. So guys, boom, here is my money. It has been successfully delivered to my wallet. And guys, that is it. So guys, as you all can see, I've made a live withdrawal for you guys to see that this platform is 100% working and it's really paying, guys. So if you like videos like this on YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more notification whenever I release a new video. Thank you all for once again watching Crypto Denzo TV. Bye.